I had to pause the video for a second and do the first video, and then now this one because I couldn't figure out where to turn my camera around. Anyway, I'm doing okay today, I think. Anyway, here we go. Oh, I should show you my teeth first. See? No teeth at all here. But my bottom ones are okay. Anyway, how can I go around? I always would do it like this. I smile like this because I couldn't smile. I had to, hide this ugliness I have here. It's terrible. So I'm going to try putting these in now, and you'll see the difference. Easy to do. Just pop them right on. And there you go. See? I can smile again. I'm still getting used to, talking with them. But that's great. Anyway, they're great. They don't hurt. They're wonderful. And, see? I can smile to the world now. And I do. Anyway, that's my video, and buy them if you're self-conscious about your teeth, because these are wonderful. I got the natural ones this time. Last time I got the Hollywood, and they were they were bright. These I think I like better, the natural. So have a great day. Bye.